this is a case for here for maintenance once a month. How have you been since last treatment?
No, it's been good.
Been good? Any pain, any discomfort?
No, I can't say. Not too bad.
Not too bad. So this is a case for right foot young, and we always check the pulse to understand the organs. More importantly, we want to check the root. So that indicating whether there's enough qi and blood in the organs or not. So the heart is actually good. Same as the lung. Okay, but weakness not clear in the liver. And stomach and spleen. The kidney pulse as well. Kidney pole here is okay, this kidney. So liver, kidney in, and what we call stomach and spleen. Can I see your tongue, please? Okay, let's look at my tongue. Tongue out. Okay, underneath. Thank you. See red spot in there, that's definitely some heat as well. Let's do navel acupuncture. So it's good that there's no pain in this case. What we need to do, just do the focus on the organs. So we balance the organs and do some structure imbalance technique. Kidney in. Liver, okay, as well as spleen. The tonic fire technique. There's no pain there. Good. Put on here. Okay. Still a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
According to your tongue, we can see that there is dampness and blood stasis as well. So we'll put some needle on the leg for those. This is right foot young, left foot in. 10 there? 10
Yep.
Yep.
Just
do tonic 5 first. And we do reduce. Same as stomach 40. Tonic 5 first. And then reduce. Then over here, then here, spleen 6, do tonic 5 first. And then we reduce technique to move the blood. And this one is spleen 10. The spleen 10, we do tonic 5 first. And then we reduce. Then we check the pulse. Okay. The root in the heart, the root in the root and the liver is kind of, I can feel it now, much stronger. Both kidney. It's not coming yet, that one. That's the spleen. Feel the spleen root now. It's just not the kidney yet. So we need to do one more stimulation of that. Where the pain, that one is painful. For kidney. Check that. Good, a little bit coming. That's good. Strong. So in our idea is we always get the organs have better blood circulation. Then the organ connect to the channels. And the channels, blood flow in the channel and chi flow in the flame will be better. Then we can do a block meridian technique and the structure balance technique. For the structure and balance, the 4 point that we did was good enough on the stomach and spleen meridian, but we haven't done other yet. Have a tender here?
Yeah, I will. It's just muscle tenderness, I guess.
Yep.
Yep.
It is UB meridian.
Yep.
Yep. You feel a jump?
Yep.
Okay. Done. Down. How about here?
Tender here.
Not too tender here. But in here. Feel it? Not too bad. So this is we call New Balance Acupuncture stuff.
Yep.
Yep, you felt it? Okay. Then we do on the calf area. Yeah. Relax. Tender.
We first touched up kind of closer to the top. I felt something.
Yeah, right. I can feel the tightness in there. So we do a calf muscle on the kidney meridian. What do you feel? There you go, a jump. The first part we did was post-balance acupuncture to make sure the organs is good. This is the second part, which is New Balance Acupuncture. Tender here. Okay. Jump again. This is liver meridian. Jump again. Twitch for 3 times. That's it. And you do on the stomach. The last area we're going to is making sure that the spine is straight. Okay, pretty good. Just a little bit off on this part. Not bad at all. Yeah. There's 3 trim needles. Okay?
Yeah.
Where do you feel?
Oh, yeah.
Locally or went down here?
Locally.
Locally, yeah? Okay.
Oh, it kind of went down.
Went down small, eh?
Yeah.
Good. Let's check. Yeah, it's good now. Well done.
Cool.
That's it. I'll see you in 4 weeks' time.
Yeah, sounds good.